Three picking them, they dive for inside some fireaway cash for New Bell. This weekend, country people, them will go take una to go for side for Yawende, where the weekend we just finish. Now fireaway they be siam for some section for that side, so for La Falaise. Now for Yawende side, to reserve for this afternoon, we go take una go for office for Commander Edinge Philippe. Now for inside the Bepanda Day, where this boy them, where they this Chakarat place, where they call a microbe, you go call them say Mazembe, them Sesep. They be show people them for Bepanda Pepe, but 15 of them. Now anyway, they so Commander Edinge Philippe for Bepanda and the boys them, they put hand for their skin with the year say they don't send them direct. For New Bell, inside Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go talk this chapter for Tori people them for Bamenda, with the year say just now, Oga Ambe Maximilian, he don't change hand, power don't change hand. For Kamasesh, Bamenda, as we just now Oga Elvis, he don't take office like new president. For Tori people them for that side, so for Bamenda. Chapter for Corona, we go bring them and even wait till newspaper them talk. Today, they did them outside plenty. We go look for inside the country people them. Case for petty laws, we get them too. Inside Tori house here. Big part of Editary say no be I, they use them for carry cargo them, but the I is sabi the kind of cargo that we hate, he carry them. I say I, he know the carry cargo them, but he sabi the kind of cargo that we hate, he carry them. Big part of for this afternoon, he come out. Now for Paco Melville, he the look we for that side, so for Limbe, now he says he send big part of for this afternoon. I return back some more time. Good afternoon again, country people them. As so una don't hear them for we strong number them. Before we go enter for Tori Sese for this afternoon, we here say Celestin Jamen, we be been a man for inside Professor Maurice come to a party. Cameroon Renaissance Movement, he don't come out. He talks say no be member again for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. As way it happen Dongamen, he did just now with Tori people them for some hotel for Douala here, where he talk for them. Why he don't come out Cameroon Renaissance Movement and why he says he wants start his own party as we to really enter for we here and we sabi say Celestin Jamen before he be want enter for Professor Maurice come to a party where they call him Cameroon Renaissance Movement. He be then for SDF. Now from SDF where he cross carpet, he enter for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, and from Cameroon Renaissance Movement just now, he don't come out, he say he want make his own party. By morning time, where we go meet up now, we go turn back plenty on top that commodity with Celestin Jamen. He come out just now for Douala here, for talk say he don't stop, for being member for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Inside Tori 2 for this afternoon, make we take on a one-time enter for Yawende. Weekend will be just come up for day, it be day some kind of style. Now fire that, where they be announced for that side, so for La Falaise, inside Yawende country people them. Waiting it provoke the fire, now the thing that way plenty people there, they be the pass for corner, as well they be the thief take image for that side, so they no be fit for talk. But they be the ask na question, how it go be where the hotel system, you know get that way they use and lost fire. Where it is so, it make and so take fire, smoke, it just come up for update. Sabi say before Tori house, it be one land for side with this La Falaise hotel. It day where army rescue people they say they be don't land for day. And Sabi, no fear no be there for people them heart, no danger as we Tori enter for we EM, as we army rescue people them take time, they lost all the fire for day. No person in no die. And just now, waiting where if you don't provoke that fire away cash for that side, so for some one place for La Falaise, Yawende, this weekend, no person in no sabi on top that chapter, country people them. So for chapter for fire inside Douala here. Now for New Bell, palava for house, he make man, he throw petrol, so he burn house, he burn picking them for inside the house, as we to re-enter for we here. When he hear say the man, he claim say the house na family house, and he no be want some particular woman when na own sister for she done again for the house. After we don't want plenty, the woman no here, the woman talks in her own house too. Now so as the woman come out, the man man, he take time, he throw away fuel for inside the whole house, then he lock the door. As so he lock door, where pikin dem be the so sleep or inside the house. Now so too he light fire so for that house, for place where they call am say New Bell for Douala here. Inside the room where he be lock am, we hear say na 4 pikin dem be there inside. One of the pikin, he be there the man, he own pikin sesep for inside the room. But that one pikin, he be jump from up, he come down, he broke his foot, while 3 other pikin them, as so on as so the house he born, they born with the house inside a New Bell for Douala here. The man where he do the kind of thing, they say the man be don't fair be from Gata, and they sabi plenty for that side, so for New Bell, as so Tori enter for we ear. So as so they talk just now, 3 people them inside one family, 3 pikin inside one family die for sick as say their own papa or grandpapa. As well if he put he put fire for house, so the house he born with them, and one person he dey for top hospital bed. As so they talk here just now with his foot and small burn for his skin. As well na his own papa said he put fire for inside the house for that side, so for New Bell. As well Tori he enter for we ear D12 he pass. As well we finish this weekend. Jamie Gadwa, as well as number 4, as well as na mobile intervention police people them that for side for Gadwa, with them says this weekend will just finish. Them too, they put hand for some man, this man to country people them, he go dig bone. Yes. Now the bone that where the man they come out and for a bag, or can I hit them where he don't come out for go dig them, when I die people they bone them, where they don't finish die. And as well to enter for we here, but the man if you want go sell that bone, and the people, the man he hate as soon as don't see him for plenty money. But as well police people then say they hear the chapter, sabi say they ever get people them for outside where they tell them thing. Now so to they put hand for this our brother where they catch him with the bone them where if he don't already they set for go sell and country people them. So he try for talk for people that who side come out with the bone and waiting if you want go do sabi say the bone he be get for give that with brother plenty money. As well the police people then say they talk sabi say this operation for that side, so for Gadwam it come to a time where they don't talk for uniform people them say make their eye them shine. So the big commission assessor for that side as well be the talk for we is in a fight where it don't start and it go continue on top that chapter country people them. Just now we go enter for inside Bepanda gendarmerie office for Bepanda side there where they catch 15 microp as well as they call them Mazembe or bad boy them, na them that where it dey so they catch them for that side, so for inside Bepanda, and na commander Edinge Philip for inside brigade for Bepanda side where he catch this boy them. Who side they be come out as well as they see them, so they just come up for make chakara for inside places like Bepanda as Safari and other places for that side where they don't chakara thing them. So they even broke people them motor, broke hotel them. Now for them gendarme people them say from Bepanda, they go down for field. As so they go down for field one time. Now so they put hand for these 15 people them. As so Tori enter for we hear these 15 boy them. They in a 2 group. We hear say as so gendarme he hold one of the group. The one man he be succeed for call say me other people they can't help them. As so that other people they say they come for can't help. Now for them with the gendarme people they join all them to catch them. As so Tori enter for we hear. Sabi say the boy them for sika the two they don't do and plenty. We hear say as a big man for littoral he hear one time he give an order say may they take them direct for New Bell, they no get for judge them again and they no get right to for talk. As well Tori he enter for we ear for sick as a thing when they do am according to the big people them for inside town it no correct at all. As well they be to disturb people them for that side, so for Bepanda inside Douala 5 subdivision. So just now since they put them hand they from Gata for sick as a thing where they do according to it, so the big people them for country here for Douala talk, they say they no even want catch them again for outside. No need for take them go for court for judge them. The thing where they catch them they do them in E1. It don't be correct for say waiting. Make this them all for back counter. So as all the talk, the 15 of them now new combi them for that side For New Bell, as we tori, it dey enter for we ear. Make we try for see wetin wey they do, we side where they catch them. As so na sabi, some place they where they call them for inside Bipande Day, 54 staircase, or as so na the siam. Now for inside this quarter, as we una see so where the boy them they enter for day. As so we say will be the enter for quarter for try for see some of the chakara them with the chakara. First place where we notice some small problem for the country people. Now for some hotel, we wanna go see small time. Waiting the boy them do for that hotel, they take stone them, broke the glass them for the hotel. It means say they turn up for outside, they take stone, they shoot for that hotel. Now the hotel they glass them that way see when I stone them, where the boy them, they use broke as so they pass for that place, they shoot the hotel, they glass them or they broke make them hotel too, it locked by force as so they hear say this microbe then they come, so they broke the hotel. Now one of the place them this where they pass, another place where the boy then say they be go land for the country people. Now so some other hotel too will be there just for corner roads as so wanna see the one, see plaza, snack bar, discotheque for that side too as well una go see they broke this place in own small shiny way they then all the chair them as well they enter for the place, all their plastic chair the way people that they can't shit down for inside there. Now so to they broke them. Now they walk then that way that boy they do and they provoke even waiting people the way they become for can enjoy. Oh man, it run enter so go as well they chakara chair them for inside the hotel. No ask me wait where the people they do or wait where the hotel it do for them. That one I no fit for answer, but you see I'm say only the chakara where they do for that hotel. Now things say way it make them people then say they no be fit for catch them, take them go for court again for good judge as well the big people them for inside country they don't already talk as well they meet up the chakara where they been at the evidence for thing where they do now so to the talk say me they take them direct now for inside the place where they call them saying gata see television too for the place they enter broke where if they tell us it no be do they know nothing this long television for what they broke all thing for that side tell now it no the fee for show people their motor too where they just park for corner roads and so they pass enter for inside quarter where people then too they run you go see say even motor e back they come back they take stone broke the motor a glass for back way motor e no do no nothing. As so na the see so na so the boy them they enter for inside this quarter for safari Bipanda side they do all this the chakara so for inside Douala here now other motor to that way park for there as so na the see when na so them pass broke the glass them for this motor so now all the chakara them that where this boy them where they call them say microbe they do for inside Bipanda but so I talk Commander Edinge Philip for Bipanda side there and the boy them they be there present for catch all them. Ngata also talk they don't land for day. Problem for Southwest and Northwest. Big cry it dey for inside Boya just now since Sunday for evening time. Chief for mile 15 as so when I sabi on mile 14 mile 14 for that side so for inside Boya e no dey again with the year say the chief now boy they with the gun they come catch the chief for mile 15 mile 14 mile 15 and mile 16 take and go for bush only for Sunday where they come meet up die body for chief for mile 14 for that side so for Boya. Now the die body that way they meet up one time they be carry go for co-house for Boya Regional Hospital. The land for day people they be come up for cry plenty cry be there for hospital for Boya on Sunday as we another one again sabi sepsenum na the only the first chief this way they die for security problem and with the here concerning this chapter mile 15 chief even as we Congo side come out to say it don't die we never people make investigate on top that chapter but sabi say mile 15 and mile 16 chief they so day outside they never sabi where they day and they catch all them na time with mile 14 chief he give them invite say make they come for a new palace where it be one open am as we tori enter for inside we hear. And for that side for Bamenda, na motorway city council they use them for work. Now with them say they can meet up for their garage where they don't broke glass, then put fire for inside country people them. As we see them, they talk saying as some group for boys them where they enter for the place where the motor turn up, they put fire for inside, broke the glass, then come out. They no catch no person and they no get caught for no person apart from the motor where they burn them. As we wanna say wanna this year. We go remain for inside chapter, for different chapter just now, for talk work with custom people them to the do inside we country. We go take una go up north for Marwa country people them as we wanna see that one. Well, before we enter for that, before we go for that custom side, maybe we'll turn back for or we'll finish this one for custom for talk this 146 carton them. We custom people then set up the season, we the season for whose side? Frolinat, now for Marwa side, where they put the hand on top with the medicine, it will come now for back door for inside country. So I be say just for say they come now back door, where they know they follow the normal road, they be get right for catch them, but we never fit for confirm if the medicine that they don't spoil or they never spoil before they catch them. But just for say they don't come for front door. That one, now way it been a big mistake where they do them. Inside a country here, chapter for thief moto them. As we Tori enter for inside we here. Now moto this we get matricle number literal 491 IB with the tifam for front door where money don't go park in moto, then they can tifam country people the moto as soon as see we for before now moto we it just enter country and they don't tifam. So if you don't see the moto with that matricle number 491 IB literal, just talk for Tori man, make it try for follow up on top this chapter as we the Tori. It enter for we here, na so 2 weeks we dey put am for now for outside. So if you don't see the motor for any site and you suspect any motor like do one way they want start change am, you feel run call Tori man or you go report for any police station where it dey for corner. We go enter just now for chapter for Mutumbu people them. Sabise Oga Ate Bazor. He don't enter for history for country like the first Anglophone for be headman for company or for house where go the look out Mutumbu people them problem. Ate Bazor for vote where pass for Saturday. He knock the other people them. He be get so 254 vote them. Number 2 person for back Ate Bazor. He be then a person they call him say Jean-Pierre Esome. Jean-Pierre Esome. He get 185 votes. Mercy Ambroise we come for number 3 place for inside the votes where it happened for this weekend. He come out with 85 votes. Make we enter for see Mercy Ambroise where he says it be part of the voting for that side. So for Yawende as we people them for Sonakam they meet up. Mercy Ambroise he gets 85 votes inside them 4. Last Coco for the 4 people them now Wax Day where he gets 69 votes them as we the vote Ate Bazor. So talk Ate Bazor, the first Anglophone for Shidon, on top that chair for local problem them where Mutumbu people them go get them inside the country. We hear it already start for make it own gum now. People there do the work with it for see problem them for Mutumbu. You know go over plenty again inside we country. And for Bamenda, team way consigned Tori people them, Cameroon English speaking journalist people them, where they call them for short Kamasesh, Bamenda. Chair don't change just now. Oga Ambe Maximilian, he no be the president again for that side. So for English Tori people then for inside Bamenda as we Tori enter for we here. Chi Elvis now he don't chop that chair where Ambe Maximilian he don't leave him for back. And Chovis Low time will be the talk for the Tori people them. In the talk for them say waiting. Made them sabi say this time thing they don't change so they must to go for before. Now the 2 president and now they salute and it be been a glad time for glad for all the member them for inside Kamasesh. Bamenda, make we hear just now. Wait away, Chovis Low. I hope so. I call the name fine. He talk for Tori people that I sabi say Tori people then just now. They work where they teach them say they do them for school. They need the fee for do them fine. For Sika say cash, you know they for inside they work again. So they must work according to person way. He give them cash. Chovis Low talk for we.
Journalism for yesterday it was a great credibility because faith be the inside. People be moved, people be inspired for serve their people, for serve their country. But today, what is happening? I say, poverty don't come spoil the thing. You see poverty, they join journalism. No for work, no because the one talk the truth, no because the one shines on my face, no because the one talks on my lie, no because the one beg, no because the one say some politicians don't deceive you, no because some ministers don't deceive you. So journalism yesterday, it will be credibility with the day. It will get facts. Past today. But today, the beginning for today, they struggle. But at time they hard. And unfortunately again, today training opportunities in day. But what is the O'Connor say? big people for society. It overlead corruption. So they the one for ton journalists made they know they do as in train them for school. They ton journalists made they talk a lie. Journalists is a struggle. They make way for come up for lie. They make way for make a difference. For being short, made them talk say after God with truth, it's supposed to be a journalist. But this is what people call them say politician them. They try for spoil work for journalists. And since the journalism today, most of them are young boy them. But they never get stand, but they never get position. Sometimes want to fall for road. Now with the big problem. And so we only pray, so may God continue to shine journalism face. So that may they represent what they call for journalism, say facts are sacrosanct. So facts are the truth.
The man we don't be inside the house for plenty years, Chovis Law, where they talk for we country people them. The new man we don't chop that chair from Ben Maximilian in name, na CLVs, and he said the chair we don't she done on top. Isa be say fire, it dey on top well.
The shoe way I don't want enter in a very big shoe. And Ben Maximilian way na the former president, I know lie you say he don't work. He don't work way. If you stand from afar, you look the work. You know the work will be difficult for you to do it. But I want proudly talk say this. So by the time we be the work, I be the member for ESCO. I be financial secretary. So I be know how we fit get money. I be know how we would spend money. So he don't teach me fine. And I don't say this one I work way I fit do them. True they work plenty. Membership plenty. One struggle for situ whether from the 76 member the way they hand over for we. How we go do for sale if we increase the membership to around 125. My national officers, they do my installation, they don't give me tax. Some will increase it to 125. But my problem not be only to increase the number, now also to increase our ability for do work fine, our ability for write fine, our ability for report fine, our ability for investigate fine.
The new big man for Kamasesh Bamenda, CLVs, we the talk for we for that side. We go come up for that side just now, talk chapter for this secret they call them Corona we deal with TV just now. Inside the whole world, according to number the way John Hopkins University sent for outside, 71,726,830 total case since we come. 46,871,400 people where they don't well for the whole world. 1,605,468 people they don't die since Corona it enter for inside the world. As for John Hopkins University, he give a number them. Na so two weeks with the talk other country the way they give their own thing them update all time. We go enter for Nigeria for Buhari country. They tell we say 418 new cases them where they get them on Sunday. Total number just now 73,175 since when the sick enter for Nigeria Buhari country, and 66,090 people them they already well come off for sick bed since when the sick enter for day, while 1,197 people they don't die since when Corona he enter for Nigeria Buhari country. Inside South Africa also go enter for day only for Sunday Iwan now 7,999 people where they test them with the Corona sick for their skin. Sabi say doctor they already test more than 5 million people them since when the sick enter for South Africa. Inside that number you go see say more than 800 people them they don't already get that sick, and they don't already test after they test them they meet up the sick for their skin. And inside the same number you go see too say 761,011 people that already well from that sick since we enter Cyril Ramaphosa country South Africa, and more than 22,000 people then too they don't die for Sika Corona for South Africa. So now for Tewi the sick day, and for Cameroon here Sabi say minister the social talk ngomna the talk make we respect the different commandia them where they don't give where you dey for outside, cover your nose and your mouth with your face mask, and don't forget for the wash your hand, sneeze for your elbow and other things that they don't deter we. Just now inside chapter for Ndamba country people them as we to really enter for we ears. Sabi says there's a man Ndamba team country people they don't come out for country as soon as see them. The under 20 man Ndamba team they did for Equatorial Guinea for Malabo. Now for Unifac under 20 man Ndamba we it get for happen for that side country people them. Sabi says Cameroon it go the knock Ndamba with DR Congo tomorrow as we to enter for insights we hear. Waiting newspaper them for today them talk. Make we start. We look inside. Horizon editor with this afternoon say SDF. It don't start for the peak. The small part the way don't fall for roads. For see whether they fit call them again. Say SDF party next meeting. It be passed this weekend. Ate Bazo first Anglophone person for she done on top of Sonakam work. You go read that chapter plus other to read them for inside Horizon newspaper. We they outside this afternoon. Another newspaper. We Amos go give it for outside day. Which one? Now the post or the Guardian post. Inside the Guardian post they talk for we. As a problem for Southwest, Northwest. It's also there. People there they suspect for say they been an amber people. They enter for palace. Thief 3 chiefs them. But just now, Sabi say one of the 3 chiefs he don't die. 2 other chiefs them. They never Sabi sorry the day. You go read to a consign who go she down on top that chair for look out Mutumbu people them problem. Ate Bazo. Now they don't vote them. That chapter 2 day for the Guardian post today. You go read other to read them inside the Guardian post. The post today in the tell we 3 boy chiefs the way they thief them go hide them. 1 he don't die. You go read to Ate Bazo. New big man for Sonakam. You go read that chapter and other to read the way they post. He get them for his skin this afternoon. Country people. The statue in the talk as we UNDP2 he don't talk his own position for inside a political team them arrangement for inside country. After with the regional votes, it happened inside the statue. You go read other to read them where it concern University for Boya. The Advocate newspaper today, it tell we say don't glad a 5-year bond day as well if you read. And for the 5-year bond day, now so to they give 30 more than they give 32 award them for people there they don't prove themselves inside the community. If you read to a concern human rights a non-governmental organization too for inside Advocate newspaper. This afternoon. Eden newspaper today, it strong number the tell we as we Kumba City Council, the Wahala way they talk say the Kumba 1 session we get for happen for Shidon, for talk who get for B, on top that chair for City Mayor chapter, they don't postpone them. Inside the same Eden newspaper, you go read Tori, where it concern Katu and other governor to read them, where it dey for inside. The Median, it talk say they cry plenty for Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute inside the Median, the tell we say Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute, he had no day fine for inside when he hear the kind of fight where it happen for that side. So for Kumba Meme division inside the Median too, you go read Tori concern United States, Queen Elizabeth country where all the SSF they don't agree for some vaccine for corona. Other to read them they did for the Median newspaper where it day outside this afternoon. Municipal update in the talk as we Anglophone people them they don't cause people the way they want divide country. Nothing that way municipal update it talk. Municipal update too in the try for Terry as when an Anglophone man he don't sit down on top chair for Sonakam Ate Bazo where they vote him inside this weekend. Honorable Ngala Gerard SSF he don't win the best MP award as way you feel read them for municipal update this afternoon. Just now, country people them make we try for enter for inside that Tory get case for person we don't lost. Yes, now the man be this in name na Numbe Cedric as soon as him now got Isaac Idiano say he define this a man when a Numbe Cedric he picking where he don't lost. So use yourself for outside the way you see. If you see him and you don't see the boy for the guy for any side 675-217-434 694-793-363 number where if you call for help the family they say plenty that she wait you, or if you see if you take them to for any police station where it dey for corner or gendarme any of the way dey for corner side way you see Numbe Cedric family it go glad plenty for say you don't help them. They say dash it wait any person. Country people, not just so we finish a story for this afternoon and again, Ambassador the thank all wonderful outside they will not be join up for give support and even prayer for you vote for ye. Time when they be the give award week away pass, it be carry 3 awards. 2 for Best Pidgin TV News Tori Man, and 1 for the Best Reporter for 2020. So we thank Ona for outside Ona the give support and Ona the prayer for we. Make una continue for the prayer and make una continue for the give that support. For sake as go the go now only for before, now una be our power. Country has glad plenty for that one, and I want to say big thank you for Amos Fongo, we did to for backside. Thank you to Malis and even Ledupone, we too he did for backside there for CC meeting they happen for Toriye. If Papa God agree, 8 o'clock for morning time, we go jam head again within the way the pass for these 24 hours we no go build to now, or for the hours them we no go build to now. Any I want be, if Papa God agree, Tuesday morning, una hold am tight for outside.